NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 3. The distance of the point P minus 6, 8 from the origin is option A, 8, option B, 2 times root 7, option C, 10, or option D, 6. Let us find the answer. We are given point P minus 6, 8. Let us draw this point on the graph. This is our point on the graph minus 6, 8. And we need to find the distance of this point from origin, which is 0, 0. The intersection of x and y axis. Origin is 0, 0. And what is the distance formula? Distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is d is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us substitute the values. X1, y1 is equal to minus 6, 8 and x2, y2 is equal to origin 0, 0. That implies d is equal to root over x2 is 0 minus x1 is minus 6 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 8 whole square. That is equal to 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64. Root over 36 plus 64 is 100. That is equal to root over 10 square, which is equal to 10. From the given options, option C, 10 is the right answer. Therefore, the distance of the point P minus 6, 8 from the origin is 10 units.